Hi, I'm Ravnik Bachu and I'm here with Jonathan Carter, who is a support analyst for Maximo, and we are here to discuss NHS Highland and their usage of Maximo Anywhere. Jonathan, how long have you been supporting NHS Highland?
Well, I think for about 10 years so far.
Okay, and what challenges do the NHS mobile engineers face in conducting maintenance across the Highland region?
Well, the main challenges fairly obviously concern the large distances that their support has to cover, particularly into the more remote parts of northern Scotland, including the Western Isles. So there are obviously logistical problems in the distances that the engineers have to travel, and also when they get there, the quality of the mobile network that they find. Added to this are the additional pressures of fast changing maintenance schedules. So really it's imperative that when an engineer turns up, he's able to maximise his productivity with the jobs that he has to do.
And how did they meet those challenges?
Well, they realised fairly early on that they needed to get a mobile solution of some kind, and so they acquired a generic third-party scheduling product, which they used for a number of years before they switched to IBM Maximo Anywhere.
When they replaced the legacy system with Anywhere, did that bring any benefits?
Yes, they've reported immediate benefits following the go-live of Anywhere. They saw a general increase of about 10% in overall productivity in their ability to meet service level targets. And that basically translated to an estimated reduction of about 2 hours per person per week in the administrative overhead. I was also told that for one particular site they managed to achieve a 100% completion of all their statutory PM work, which is the first time they'd ever been able to do that. And also there were corresponding improvements with the routine PM maintenance.
What were the main reasons for the overall improvements in productivity?
Well, I think one of the reasons was the way that Anywhere is more resilient and more tolerant when engineers move into areas where there's poor network connectivity. Secondly, with the introduction of Anywhere, because Anywhere is a native IBM product, the technologies work together fairly seamlessly, resulting in what I would consider to be 100% quality of transmission of the messaging from the devices ultimately into the database. Previously there was an issue with the earlier system whereby not all the messages that were transmitted were able to update the database. Consequently, we had to introduce an ad hoc paper system in order to, as it were, fill the gap. But with the introduction of Anywhere, we now have eliminated the need for a paper-based system.
What has been the overall impact on the business?
Well, I think from the manager's point of view, they've been able to see these sustained performance increases from the time that Anywhere was introduced right up until the present time, and this has really resulted in the NHS position in their overall league table. There's a league table of all the regions in Scotland, and the Highlands, which initially was fairly low down in the table, is now up at a much higher place, which has been of considerable benefit and to the company.
Thank you for your time, Jonathan.
Thank you.